Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 554 rotary wall telephone, and this is Paul's equipment from Alabama. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now, Paul has a note with this unit, and this telephone does not ring. So we want to check the bell and bell circuit. We also want to go through the network. We want to make sure that all of our connections are tight and that they're proper. We're also going to go through the rotary. We want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary, and we want to check the hook switch. We also want to troubleshoot the transmit, the receive, and the handset cord. We know that the handset cord has an issue where it goes into the handset. We want to take care of that also. We also want to take care of the latch for the cover of the telephone. It's bent up and it's broke, so we want to replace that latch. So we'll take care of that issue. We also want to change the number card that's in the dial center ring, and we're going to put Paul's number in this telephone, and the number that's in this unit right now was a number that belonged to Paul's family. So this telephone has been in Paul's family for a long time, and that's really cool. So we will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We're going to go ahead and do some still pictures of this really cool telephone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool Western Electric 554 rotary wall telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it, It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on the rotary. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call the time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we can call that number.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Friday, July 13th. The current time, 8:03 p.m. and the temperature, 91 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 554 rotary wall telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Paul and they can enjoy this telephone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.